So we have with us Krishna and Vipul, and start with the basics. Introduce yourself.
Well, I had joined Professor Rajesh Patkar in my early career in IT. It was probably 3 to 4 years before, when I was not knowing what is Java, rather what is software. And the first day when I had joined the institute, I was wondering whether I can get into IT, because I am a commerce graduate. I don't have any knowledge. I didn't have any knowledge on IT. But when I joined him, I realized that what you need is concept. If your concepts are clear, you can go ahead anywhere and everywhere. That's what I think.
Hi everybody, this is Krishnadas Menon. I work as a software engineer for CGI. It's a CMM high-level company. And before anything, I'd like to compliment Mr. Rajesh Patkar. It was an amazing speech. I've already conveyed that it was too short, but then it was amazing. And all the guys who were involved for this particular seminar. And I'll keep it short.
Thank you so much. And for the benefit of all those who are not from the RPI community, we do plan to have regular sessions, and we have addresses, so we will be updating you about it. So, just wait and watch. Alright. So how long have you been working in IT now? You said 4 years?
By now it is 3.5 years.
3.5 years.
Right.
Alright. And do you remember any project of yours that was completely messed up? Just beyond messed up?
Honestly, I have never thought of sticking to any company earlier, but that's the early phase of the life. But then there were a couple of projects in my company where we have seen the projects were messed up. But what we could see is you need a vision, which currently I am with CMMI company, the company where Krishnadas is, CGI. I am working as a PA here. Earlier company we had implemented ERP, but the only problem we had was that we were totally messed up with the implementation part. We always looked at the ERP as a very small part, because it's a domestic ERP. Now we are growing very drastically. My earlier company is going very drastically, and the only idea that they have kept in mind is to implement the policy in a proper way.
So what was the cause of that? Was it that you said the implementation was messed up? So what is that, the requirements didn't come through right, or the people didn't understand the requirements?
No, it so happens that now it doesn't happen at CMM high-level company, but yes, in small companies it do happen that higher level management commit client a lot of things, and when it comes to implementation, when we go to client at real-time scenario, we realize that so many things has been committed, whereas nothing is working in the ERP. How can we manage the show? So
overcommitment is the problem here?
Right.
Okay, so sir has to give us a pattern for how to handle that.
Correct. That's true.
Okay, thank you. And can you tell us some of your experiences where you think now that patterns would have helped a lot?
Yeah, to start with, I have only 1.5 years of experience in this industry. And one thing which I could learn from today's session was when Mr. Patkar had pointed out 4 points. That is applying patterns, mining patterns, and pattern documentation and pattern creation. So I would have not reached to the stand of the first point and fourth point, but I'm in a learning spree, and I have started pattern review because that's coming in my profile, and yes, pattern documentation as well. So yeah, I'm in a learning spree, not much to add.
Alright, thank you so much. So here you can see one very sincere, attentive listener who knows everything that Sir spoke about. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.